before for me. I look a lot different though.
Wow.
You know, we look crazy outside.
All inspired. Pleasant Place. Cibao Meat Products. Market Source Group.
So how many of these do you have in your collection?
I have two. I'm being honest. I have two. This is gonna be my third one.
Other contributors of our certified values and reports.
And the ADHD doesn't let me sit still.
Who?
The ADHD siempre estoy moviendo. So it's like, yo, dame quieta. I'm telling myself, dame quieta. I swear, I came for food. So I came to get a little sandwich, and then, guess what happened? You came to go away? You came too late? I think you should take advantage and stand next to me. Since we didn't get food. I have a lollipop in the car. Just saying, I'm trying to look out. So fast, it's freaking me out.
I know.
Like, what the heck did he put up in there? I seen him fucking stick it up on top of his head, yo.
See all nervous. You ready to see this?
Already?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to make you nervous.
Paranoid. What you got? What you got?
Oh.
Okay.